All right, what's up, everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and this is
Sketchy Tailgating Challenge.
Sketchy Tailgating Challenge. And we got the Drinkmate. I love bubbles. You love bubbles?
I love bubbles.
He loves bubbles. This adds bubbles to any drink you want. You could take wine and make it sparkling.
And I love cool looking devices even more.
Yeah, got a nice trigger on there. So you pour whatever you want in there. You can see the max fill line on there. Fill it up. You're gonna hit it with 2 to 3 pumps. See if we can listen.
1, 2, 3.
All right, so we got some bubbles and carbonation going on in there now. This is the release valve to let a little bit of it out so it doesn't explode.
Bubbles!
Let's see if we can do this without.
Nice.
All right, then we. Oh, it's got a little bit of pressure on there still.
You hold the bottom, I'll do the top.
So you just do that and let a little bit of it out. And then, oh yeah, he put his muscles on there now. So now grapefruit juice to pour into our cocktail.
That's pretty awesome.
Well, all right. Cheers.
Cheers. I wonder if this grapefruit juice is going to react with my medications.
Yep. This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. You want some more bubbles in your life? It's time to get a Drinkmate. Cheers.